Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make this kitchen set. So let's now start the video. So let's first go to rectangle tool. Select this point and make a rectangle of 500, 750. Mm. Now go to line tool. Select this point and make a slant line like this. Here also select this point and make a slant line like this. Now go to 2 point arc tool. Select this point and make an arc like this. You also select this point and make it up like this. Go to area to delete these lines. Now go to offset tool, select this face and give an offset of 50 mm. Now go to move tool, select this face, press alt and give a value of 200 mm. Now select this whole body, go to move tool, select this point, press control and place it at a distance of 600 mm. Now go to flip tool, select this point and flip around this. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point, make a rectangle here like this. Now select this whole object, right click, intersect region and with model. Now go to select tool, select this face and delete it. Select this face and delete it. Now go to push pull tool, select this profile and give value of 25 mm. Now select this face, drag it up here. Now go to rectangle tool, select this one, press control and make a square of 80, 80. Now go to push pull tool, select this face and give value of 125. Now go to circle tool, select this point and make a circle of 25. Go to push pull tool, select this face and give value of 25 mm. Again go to circle tool, select this one and make a circle of 14 mm. Go to push pull tool, select this face and give a value of 35 mm. Now go to circle tool, select this point and make a circle of 7.5. Go to push pull tool, select this point, give a value of 40 mm. Now select this whole body, go to move tool, select this point and place it here like this. Light adjustment. Zero is to delete these lines. So this object, go to move and place it here like this. Now select this whole object, right click, make it, go to move to this point, press control and take it here like this. Now go to flip tool, select this body and click around this point. Go to move to select this point and place it here like this. Now go to circle tool, select this point and make a circle of 20 mm. Now go to line tool, select this point, give a value of 500. Now go to 2 point down to select this point, not here, like this. Now go to column 2, select this profile and follow this path. Now again go to circle tool, select this point, and give a value of 60 mm. Go to push tool, select the profile, and drag it up to it. Go to select tool, select the profile, and delete it. Again go to circle tool, and make a circle in length. Go to push tool, give a value of 10. And then go to circle tool, make a circle like this. Go to push tool, give a profile, and give a value of 100. Now go to select tool, select the profile, and delete it. And then go to circle tool, select the center, and give a value like this. Go to push tool, select the profile, and give a value of 10. Now that our kitchen sink is ready, let's give texture view. For this, please scroll body, go to materials, go to colors, and choose texture and go here. Now go to use texture and go here. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and share it. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos.